Hi, hello dear students, welcome to this class. Yes, my dear students, up to this we all discuss about means we also completed 3 lessons. Okay, so in the previous 3 chapters we learned about what? The properties of charges at rest. Okay, means charges at rest we have to find some properties and electric field lines around it. Okay, so and also we also studied about what? The properties of electric field and electric field lines. Okay, that much of topics and that much of thoughts that should be learned in the previous chapters. Okay, so but that rest charge or the charge will move. Suppose our charge momentum ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೋಷನ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಸೊ ಮೋಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸೊ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ದ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ದ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ fourth lesson, the new chapter, that is moving charges and magnetism. What? Moving charges and magnetism. This is the new chapter, means the 4th chapter. Okay, the chapter name is what? Moving charges. In charges there is motion. Just point out the chapter name. The charge will remain in a motion. So what the effects are we'll see in this chapter when the charges were moved. And magnetism, we have to find the magnetism. When the charge will move in a conductor, automatically magnetism will be produced. This is a previous knowledge you know already in a 10th standard. Okay, and also we studied in this chapter about the magnetism. What are the effects of magnetism in a conductor? Okay, that much of knowledge we'll study in this chapter. Throughout magnetism, the game of magnets. Okay, and also new concepts. Okay, now in this video we will discuss about only the introduction part of a moving charges and magnetism. Okay. Introduction part of the moving charges and magnetism. Here, there students, you already know what are the properties of charges and electric field lines and something. Okay, so just we up to this studied only about the charges at rest. ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್. ವಾಟ್? ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್, that is in the century, in the 18th century, means in the year 1820, in the year 1820, around 2 years ago, 2 ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಂದೆ, 200 ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಂದೆ, in the year 1820, one of the most famous physicists in the physics, that is Hans Christian Ørsted. Who that is? Hans Christian Ørsted. O-E-R-S-T-E-D. Hans Christian Ørsted. He demonstrated one experiments on a magnetic effects of electric current. Magnetic effects of electric current. Electric current ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಸೊ ಈ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಹೂ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ Ørsted. Hans Christian Ørsted. Okay, so what is that experiment? Okay, that we'll see. So he just used a simple electrical circuit. He just used a simple electrical circuit. He just used a simple electrical circuit with a battery. This is a battery. This is a battery, and the positive end will connect it to one key, and this key will connect it to the one conductor. Here he will use one straight conductor. In this straight conductor he will connect it to the points A and B. This AB is one straight conductor. In this conductor you will connect it, that is a magnetic needle. This is a needle. What it is? This is a needle. Okay, so this needle direction will be a straight line to this axis, the points A and B. So he just used simple connection, simple circuits. Means this is a battery. Okay, this is a battery. He used a battery with connection to the points A and B. This A to B is a straight wire, means straight conductor. In this straight conductor, he used between what? That is a needle, compass needle. You know already, compass needle. They will express the north and south direction. It will explain the direction of a electric current. Okay, this is a compass needle. Okay, so now this is a key. Okay, this is a key, but this is a open key, not closed. So Hans Christian Ørsted, he will demonstrate this electrical circuit, means a magnetic effects of electric current. So ಈ ಒಂದು electrical circuit ಅಲ್ಲಿ, so just one needle ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. Needle means what? Compass needle. So ಈ direction ಅನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, direction ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. Okay, this is north and this is south. So just with the needle, ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, deflection ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, because does not flow. So now does not flow the current in this circuit. Still does not flow because the key is not closed. Okay, so now the key is closed, means we put the key close, the circuit will be complete. Then the current flows from positive to negative, positive direction to negative direction. Okay, this is, we tell it as a current I. The current flows from positive end of the battery through the key, then it will goes to the straight conductor with the what? Coil, that is a compass needle. Then that time electric current in this conductor, in this straight wire, then that time this needle, this compass needle will be slight deflection to the what? To the left of this direction, to the what? This direction. So why this will be deflection? Because in this conductor the current will flow in. That current will produce a magnetic field around it. This I current will produce a magnetic field around it. That's why this compass needle will deflection to the left. Okay, this is the that scientist Ørsted demonstrated, means ಆ ಒಂದು ನೀಡಲ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಡಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನು ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. So when the current will flow through a conductor, the needle will be deflected towards this side. Okay, one direction ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಡಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತು. So just he suggest, ಅವಾಗ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, why the needle will be deflected. So and also he demonstrated the current will what will be the magnetic compass needle direction? Okay, so similarly he use means he changes just the direction of a current. So don't confuse the direction of a current. Okay, so what will happen? So similar, same as that of before diagram. So he just changes what? The direction of a current. Okay, this is positive direction, this is a negative direction. Okay, so this is a battery and this is a key. So when he put the key, so means key na now close ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, automatically charges will flow from a positive end to and from a negative. Okay, this is the current I. So direction of a current will be the downward direction. This is A and this is B. Okay, so now the direction of current is opposite to this figure. Okay, this is downward direction. Means sorry, this is the upward direction. So now this current will be the downward direction. So in this conductor, the current will flow and the compass needle will be also deflected. You just consider the compass needle will be deflected to this right side direction. This is not, this is south. Okay, so he suggests that he conclusion that our worst ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, conclusion ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. So mind ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು thought ಬರುತ್ತೆ. He thought why the needle will be deflection when the current direction will be changed. So when the current direction will be changed, automatically the needle direction will be, the direction of the needle will also be changed. Okay, so here the total conclusion of this concept, Oersted experiment, that is, this is clearly connection between current and magnetism, current and magnetic effect. Okay, so when a current through the conductor, he told, what told? Oersted told, when a current through a conductor, the conductor produces a magnetic field around the space, around its region. That's why he told there is a link between current and magnetic field, magnetism. Okay, this is how the chapter, that is a moving charges and magnetism. When there is a charges flowing in a conductor, there is field around it, that is a magnetic field. What is magnetic field? Magnetic field. Okay, in this magnetic field we denote it as a B vector. The magnetic field we denote it by the vector B, that is a direction, that is a vector. This magnetic field is a vector physical quantity. Okay, so now what is the meaning of a magnetic field? What is the meaning of a magnetic field? This is nothing but the space or region, the space or region around by the conductor, when the current flowing through that conductor. So on the conductor ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಸುತ್ತ ಒಂದು ರೀಜನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So that region we call it as a magnetic field. Okay, when a current flowing through a conductor, in that conductor some field are created in the region through the conductor. That a space or region we call it as a magnetic field. Okay, so notes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, just note down ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. The space or region around by the conductor, that conductor experience a field around it. Okay, that is known as a magnetic field. Okay, so here one main thing is, when a magnetic field is perpendicular to the plane of a paper, this is considered as a plane. When a magnetic field is perpendicular to the plane, that is upward direction. Okay, magnetic field plane ಗೆ perpendicular ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಣ, ಬಟ್ ಅದು upward direction ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನ perpendicular to the upward direction, then we call it as a magnetic field direction will be dot. And similarly, the magnetic field is perpendicular to the plane, but it is a downward direction. So then the magnetic field direction we consider as a cross product. This is the into mark. Okay, this is the downward. Just the sign convention means conventional magnetic field. So ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಪ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್, then we tell it as a dot product means a dot line. Then an into mark is a magnetic field will be downward direction. Just ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯಂಟ್ ಗೆ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಡಿರೈವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬಯರ್ಡ್ ಸಾವರ್ಟ್ ಲಾ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಾಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಡಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್, into mark is what downward direction of a magnetic field. Okay, so now do you agree? Do you know? Okay, as you hear the meaning of magnetic field and the introduction part of a moving charges and magnetism. Okay, in the next class we begin and we start the main concept of our moving charges and magnetism.